Well, welcome back. And in this story titled Sahasra Rupyakanam Yutakam. Sahasra means 1,000. Rupyakanam, 1,000 rupees. Yutakam, shirt. A shirt costing 1,000 rupees. Okay. Sundararajaha Kanakarajaha cha Devendrapure vasataha sma. So, two people in the name of Sundara Raja and Kanakaraja. They were living in the Devendrapura. Udaram Bharanartam Laghu Karyani Kurvantau Tau Jivanam Yapayataha Sma. Udaram Bharanartam Udara Puranartam. Bharanam means Udaram Bharanam. Bharanam means to fill. Udaram Bharanartam for the sake of filling the stomach. That is for leading the life. That is the meaning. We say in English, hand to mouth. How is your life? Just hand to mouth. Means whatever I earn is enough for whatever to eat. That's all the life. That is called Udaram Bharanam. Udaram Bharanartham, for the sake of leading life by just earning and eating. Laghu Karyani Kurvantau, doing some petty works. Tau Jivanam Yapayataha Sma. They were leading the life. Evam sthite kadachit tatra Durbhiksha kalaha agataha. Durbhiksha means drought time. Subhiksha means very flourished time. Durbhiksha, Subhiksha. So, once there happened some drought. Okay, so what happened further? Tadato api karyarahitau abhavatam. So they lost the job because it is drought. People cannot engage and pay the labor. Prana dharanartam tabhyam udyogaha anveshtavyaha asit. Prana dharana artham. Dharana means to hold. Prana means life. Prana dharanartham means just to live, to hold the life. That is, we say in English, just to survive. Tabhyam udyogaha anveshtavyaha asit. By them, some job was to be searched. Udyogaha anveshtavyaha. Tavyat pratyanta shabdaha. So here, this is a karmani prayoga. Tabhyam, by them. So this is in tritiya vibhakti dvivachanam. Tabhyam udyogaha anveshtavyaha asit. Ataha Sundararajaha Kanakarajaha cha karyam anvishyantau nagaram gatavantau. So they, in search of job, they went to the city. Varshabhyantare parishramena baudhanam sampaditavantau cha. And in year, they earned with hard work so much of money, baudhanam. Tada Sundararajaha chintitavan yat Devendrapuram gatva savaibhavam pradashaniyam iti. Then that Sundararaja, he thought, I have to go back to my village and I'll have to show how rich I am. Vaibhavam, Svavaibhavam means how rich I am, like that. He wanted to show Pradarshaniyam. Iti chintitavan, he thought like that. Yeshaha prastavaha Kanakarajaya api arochate. And Kanakaraja also liked this idea. Prastavaha, this proposal. Gramam prati riktahastataya gamanam navuchitam. And going back to the village with the empty hand. Riktahastataya. Riktahastata. Akaranda strilinga shabda. Riktahastata. That is Tadidanta Shabda. Emptiness, empty-handedness, Rikta Hasta. So empty hand, Rikta Hastata, empty-handedness. By that empty-handedness, going to village is not appreciable. Bandhavebhyaha datum kimapi svikritam chetu varam. So to the relation to give something, if we take, that is better. Iti swabhiprayam prakatitavan Sundararajaha. Like that, Sundararaja told his opinion. Swa abhiprayam, swabhiprayam. ततः उभौ अपि विपणिं गतवन्तौ. Then both of them went to some shop. देवेन्द्रपुरे दशाधिकमित्राणि आसन्. More than 10 in Devendrapura. These people were having friend. Tebhyaha datum dashavidha vastuni kritavan Sundararajaha. And for to give them, he bought some 10 different cloths. Shatam rupyakani tena vyaitani. And they spend 100 rupees. Kintu Kanakarajaha lagu lagu vastuni kevalam kritavan. But Kanakaraja, he bought only some lagu lagu vastuni, means some simple article or cheap article or some small petty gift. Tada Sundararajaha Kanakarajam uddishya. Then the Sundararaja wanted to say something to Kanakaraja and started saying, Bhavane bahuni lagustuni svikritavan asti. You have taken so many small articles. Gramajanaihi asmakam staraha gnatavyaha khalu. By the Grama people, Gramajanaihi, asmakam staraha, our position, gnatavyaha khalu. So, Gramajanaihi staraha gnatavyaha. These three portion. Kartra padam Gramajanaihi, karma padam staraha. And kriya pada, it is gnatavyaha is not kriya padam, but that is tavyatanda pratyaya. So, this is karmani prayoga. Tadartham mulyavanti vastuni eva swikaraniyani asan iti bhuktavan. Therefore, to show our position, mulyavanti vastuni, those which are costly, they are only eva swikaraniyani, they are only to be taken. Aham mama samarthya anugunam kritavan asmi. Samarthya anugunam means according to my capacity I bought. Gramajanebhyaha itopi adhikam vyaitum na shaknomi aham. I can't spend more than this for my village people. Iti nissankocham uktavan Kanakaraja. And Kanakaraja said without any reservation or without any hesitation. Dauvapi yada vipanyam atataha sma tada kaschit vanike. When both of them were going around that market, then some merchant told, Yatadrishyam mahatyam vipanyam mat samipe vidyamanani vastuni kretum yogyaha dhanikaha nasti khalu iti uchchaswarena. This is the general tactics used by the sellers in the market. Yatadrishyam mahatyam vipanyam. In this very big market, mat samipe vidyamanani vastuni. The articles available with me, kretum yogyaha dhanikaha. And to buy that, a fit rich person, nasti khalu, they are not there. Iti uchchasvarena. Like that in a very loud voice, akrosham karoti sma. So that seller, he was not simply selling shirts, pants like that. There is no one to buy these costly clothes. No rich people can buy these. Like that he was shouting. Tada Kanakaraja tam vanijam uddishya. Then Kanakaraja said to that merchant, Bhavat samipe vidyamanani vastuni pradarshayatu tavat iti uktavan. Okay, show me whatever item you are having, like that. Tada vanik ekam yutakam nishkasya pradarshayan. Then that merchant or the seller, he just yutakam nishkasya, taking a shirt, etat vastram China deshiyam. This cloth belongs to China. And you can see in earlier days, during King's period, the silk from China, they were very costly. And it is said that silk they started from China, like that. Arab deshasya sauchikena kaushala purvakam yetasya yutakasya sivanam kritam asti. Arab deshasya, from Arab countries, sauchikena, a tailor by a tailor of Arab country, kaushala purvakam means in a very expert way. Yatasya yutakasya sivanam kritam. this shirt's stitching is done. सुवर्णमयेन रजतमयेन च सूत्रेण एतस्य सीवनं कृतम् अस्ति. सुवर्णमयेन रजतमयेन, by the golden and silver thread सूत्रेण एतस्य सीवनं कृतम् अस्ति. This shirt is stitched by gold and silver thread by some skilled Arab tailor, and this cloth belongs to China. आलंकारिक गुच्छाः उत्तमैः मौक्तिकैः कृताः सन्ति. Guच्छाः means that nowadays we can see in the end part of that cloth there will be some hanging something that is called guच्छा. In that sarees of ladies we can see. Alankarika guच्छाः means it is just to add beauty, decorative purpose. Uttamaihi mauktikaihi. Mauktikam means pearl. So by so much nice pearl, the end part of this cloth is having some small bundle like, that is guच्छा. अतः एतस्य युतकस्य वास्तविकं मूल्यं 10,000 रूप्यकाणि. So, actual cost of this shirt is 10,000 rupees. Kintu anya karanaihi, because of various reasons, aham sahasra rupyakaihi etasya vikrayanam kurvan asmi iti uktavan. So I am selling this for 1,000 rupees for various reasons. This is very valuable shirt, like that. In this bazaar or in this market, no rich person can buy this like that. He was shouting and selling. Kim etasya mulyam sahasram rupyakani. Is it costing 1,000 rupees? Tarhi etat kasmaichit rajne mantrine va pradarshayatu bhavane. Then you show it to some king or minister. Yatadrishim vipanim prati etasya anayanena kim prayojanam iti uktavan Sundara Raja. So the Sundara Raja said, such a costly cloth, why you bring it to this market? You can show it to some king or minister. Anukshanam Kanakaraja mulyam nyuni karotu iti vanijam uktavan. Then Kanakaraja told, okay, you reduce the price. Nyunya moolanena tu na dadami eva iti uktavan Vanik. And Vanik told, no, I can't reduce the price. I don't give in less price. Kanakarajasya samipe navashatam rupyakani asan. And Kanakaraja was having navashatam, 900. Ataha saha Sundararajat shatam rupyakani rinarupena svikritya tat yutakam kritavan yeva. So Kanakaraj, he took 100 rupees from Sundararaja and he bought that shirt. Yatavat mulyavat yutakam kasmai datum kaha dharati etat iti ascharyena prishtavan Sundararaja. Because Kanakaraja, so far he was buying very low priced article to give as gift to somebody. So why are you buying this costly shirt? Yatavat mulyavat yutakam. This much costly shirt. Kasmai datum, to give it to whom you are buying. Kaha dharati etat, who will wear this? Like that. With some wonder, ashcharyena, he asked. Tada Kanakaraja mandahasa purvakam. Then Kanakaraja in a smiling tone told, Itaresham krite sahasram rupyakani vyayi kartum kim aham murkaha. Am I stupid to spend 1,000 rupees for others? Ahameva dharami etat yutakam. I only wear this shirt. Etat dhritva grame atami chet maam gauravapurvakam pashyanti sarve iti muktavan. So he said, if I wear this very costly shirt and go around in this village, everybody will respect me like that. Tadartham sahasrasya rupyakanam vyayaha kimartam. For that, why you spend 1,000 rupees? Yetena kaha anandaha. What is the pleasure in it? Dukkameva bhavet. You get sadness only. Baudhanam vyaitam khalu. But because you spend more money. Normally, we feel bad when we spend money, and we feel happy when we earn money. Even though we spend money for needy item, even then money is going means we feel that money is going. Chintayatu Bhavan iti uktavan Sundararaja. So you think of that like that, he told. He Mitra, Sukham Katham Anubhoktavyam Ityapi Na Janati Khalu Bhavane. You don't know how to enjoy like that. Sukham Katham Anubhoktavyam. How to experience pleasure. Like that you don't know. Itarebhya yavat va vyayi karot. You spend any amount for other people. Tena tesham triptihi na bhavati. They don't get satisfied. This is very true feeling you will come to know. You spend thousands, lakhs, million, crores for anybody. They won't feel satisfied with that. They feel he could have done more, he did less only. Like that only everybody will say. Ataha gauravam api na labhyate. And because of that nobody will respect also. Kintu yadi atmanaha nimittam vyayi kriyate tarhi gauravam adhikam bhavati. But if you spend for yourself, then you get more respect. Sarve adarena pashyanti. Everybody will look at with some respect. Etam vishayam smaratu jivane iti upadishtavan Kanakaraja. So Kanakaraja just advised Sundararaja, you remember this in your life. Don't spend anything for others. Even if you spend any amount, they won't feel satisfied. But if you spend on you, at least you will feel happy and you will feel elevated. Like that. Anantaram Dauvapi Devendrapuram Praptavantau. And like that they reached Devendrapura. From where they came out of that Durbiksha time. Gramaseemayam Sarovaramekam Asit. And in the village limit, there was a lake or pond. Atraiva snanam krutva sahasra rupyakaihi kritam yutakam dhritva eva gramaha praveshtavyaha iti nishchitavan Kanakarajaha. So Kanakaraja thought, okay, let me take bath here and put on this new shirt, costly shirt, so that I can go to village with this shirt. Kintu Sundararaja tata na kritavan. But Sundararaja didn't do like that. Gramam pravishya parichitani drishtva atmana anitani upayanani tebhyaha dattavan. So he entered Gramam pravishya, having entered the village, parichitan drishtva, seeing all the familiar people, atmana anitani upayanani tebhyaha dattavan. And the gift he brought for them, he gave. Sarve tam adarapurvakam swagati kritya Kanakarajasya vishaye vicharitavantaha. And everybody welcomed him respectfully. And they asked, what about Kanakaraja? Both of you went, like that. Kanakaraja kushali asti. Kanakaraja is fine. Na kevalam tavat sahasra rupyakani dhatva atra dhartum. And he is telling to the other villagers, by giving 1,000 rupees to wear a shirt, ekam utakam kritavan asti saha iti uktavan Sundararaja. So indirectly he made a news that he spent 1,000 rupees for him and took a shirt like that. Kanakarajaha api agatavan asti iti jnatva teshu kechana Kanakarajam drashtum sarovaram gatavantaha. So knowing that Kanakaraja also arrived, some of the people went to meet him. Tada Kanakaraja snanam kritva yutakam dharan asit. So by that time he was wearing this dress after the bath. Graminaha Kanakarajam paritaha stitva. And the villagers staying around him. Bhavata sahasram rupyakani datva yutakam kritam iti Sundararajena uktam. By Sundararaja it was told that by giving 1,000 rupees, you bought a shirt. So this is how we are talking. We say something about someone and that person goes to that person and says, someone told you about you like that. Okay. तावतः मूल्यस्य युतकं कीदृशं स्यात् इति कुतूहलम् अस्माकम्. So we want to know, so to see the shirt which is so costly, how it look like. So we have the curiosity. Darshayatu tavat iti uktavantah. So you just to show that like that they told. Tada Kanakaraja nadrishyate va tadeva yutakam dhritam asti maya iti uktavan. Don't you see? I am wearing that 1,000 rupees shirt only, like that. ग्रामीणाः समीपतः युतकम् अवलोक्य आश्चर्यचकिताः अभवन्. And the villagers, they looked at the dress nearby. Samipataha yutakam avalokya means coming closer and having a close look of that side. Ascharya chakitaha abhavan, and they became wonderstruck. Teshu ekaha and one of that. So we can see in the village limit some pond like that. So one of the person what he is saying, let me see. नगरवासिषु केचन वञ्चयन्ति इति श्रुतवान् आसम्. नगरवासिषु केचन वञ्चयन्ति इति श्रुतवान् आसम्. In the city, the people who are living in the city, somebody kechana vanchayanti iti shrutavan asam. I heard that the people in city, they cheat like that. So kechana nagaravasishu vanchayanti. Kechana means some people. Some people in the city, they cheat. Yatasya yutakasya mulyam tavat syat iti na bhati khalu. I don't think this shirt is worth 1,000 rupees. Darshanena tu samanya yutakavat bhati etat. By looking, it looks like ordinary shirt. Sahasram rupyakani dattani ityetat satyameva chet khedavaha vishayaha eshaha iti uktama. If you really paid 1,000 rupees for this, then it is a very sad thing like that, he told. संभ्रान्तः कनकराजः स्वर्णस्य सूत्राणां विषये मौक्तिकानां विषये च यदा उक्तवान् तदा कश्चित् अविश्वसन् इव शिरः चालयन्. When संभ्रान्तः means totally it is a shock. He got a shock that he paid for ordinary shirt 1,000 rupees. Swarnasya Sutranam Vishe. So when he started talking about the gold thread and the pearl, etc., Kaschit Avishwasan Iva Shiraha Chalayan. And some person to whom he was telling, he was shaking his head as if not believing that Syatnama, maybe it is so. Kintu atra upayuktani sutrani tu samanya sutrani iva eva drishyante. But the thread looks like ordinary only. Suvarna sutrani naija mauktikani cha yutake syuhu. Suvarna sutrani naija mauktikani cha yutake syuhu. Maybe there is gold thread and pearl. Kintu tena kaha labhaha. But what is the use of that? Kathananantaram eva sarvam nyayate. So you have to go and tell everybody. Nobody will look at the thread, nobody will look at that gucha, that hanging some bundle like. You have to tell this is pearl, this is gold, this is from China, everything. You have to only tell to others. Others won't notice all that. Yatadrishasya yutakasya mulyam shatarupyakatmakam matram syat. Shatarupyakam rupyakatmaka means value of that much money. Matram. Only this type of shirt may be actually having value of 100 rupees only. Like that person said, Natu tatopi adhikam, but not more than that. Hey Mitra, satyam vadatu. Oh friend, tell true. Tell the truth. Bhavata asatyam uktamasit khalu iti prishtava. By you, you just for making, to say that no, you are Not to please me, you are telling some lie like that. Like that, this villager asked Kanakaraja. तदा कनकराजः तैः सह ग्रामं प्रविश्य सुन्दरराजम् उद्दिश्य then Kanakaraja went to village along with them and asked Sundararaja भवानेव एतेषां सन्देहान् निवारयतु इति उक्तवान्. You only just clear their doubts. युतकस्य मूल्यं 1,000 रूप्यकाणि इति यदा सुन्दरराजः अपि उक्तवान् तदा काश्चित् when the shirt cost 1,000 rupees like that, when Sundararaja also told tada kaschit, then someone bhavati vidyamane api Kanakarajaha vanchitaha abhavatva. Even in your presence, bhavati vidyamane api means when you were present, Kanakarajaha vanchitaha abhavatva, whether Kanakaraj got duped, cheated, Kidrisha Bhavan, what type of person you are? Sahaeva Vasanne Bhavane Mitram Kaschit Vanjain Nasti iti Drishtva api Katham Maunam Stitavan iti Sundararajam Ninditavan. So the villager, they further added the fuel. Bhavati Vidyamane api, in your presence, when you were present, Kanakaraja vanchitaha bhavatva, whether Kanakaraja got cheated. Kidrishaha bhavan, what type of person you are? Sahaeva vasan, living together, bhavane mitram kanchit vanchayan asti. Your friend is, somebody is cheating your friend like that, bhavane drishtva api. You having seen that, katham maunam stitavan, how you kept silent, iti Sundararajam ninditavan. Like that they scolded Sundararaja. Atra Sundararajasya doshaha kopi nasti. There is no mistake of Sundararaja. Aham swechaya yutakam kritavan asmi. Iti Kanakaraja vivaranam kurvan. No, I bought on my own like that. Kanakaraja explained and said, Sundararaja dvara yutakasya vishayam nyatva bhavatam manasi purvagraha bhavaha utpannaha asite. Purva agraha bhavaha. Agraham means to have some curiosity, some urgency. So, Sundararaja dvara yutakasya vishayam nyatva. Having known about the shirt through Sundararaj, bhavatam, in you people's mind, manasi, purvagraha bhavaha, some preconceived notion, that curiosity, utpannaha asit, it created, because he is 1,000 rupees shirt, okay, how it would be. So everybody is having mentally some imagination. It is not meeting their imagination. Yada vastusthitihi jnata tada nirasha jata. So when you saw the actual thing and you got dissatisfied, disappointed, nirasha. Aidam prathamyena ye yutakam pashyanti te darshanamatreena chakitaha bhavanti eva iti uktavam. Aidam prathamyena means very first time. One who is not knowing anything about this, no preconceived notion, no anxiety, no curiosity, just by looking first time, that is called Aidam prathamyena. Those people, ye yutakam pashyanti, those who see the shirt very first time, such people, they darshana matrena, just by looking, chakita bhavanti, they get wondered by looking at this shirt. Anantaram Kanakarajaha grame sarvatra atitavan. And after this, Kanakaraja went through the entire village. Kechana tasya padaraksha vishaye vicharitavantaha. Somebody asked about what is this footwear like that. Anye kechana tasya haste vidyamanayaha ghatyaha vishaye vicharitavantaha. Some other people inquired about the wristwatch he was having. Punaha kechana bhusvaminaha putrasya shmashru iva bhavataha smashru api drishyate iti uktavantaha. Smashru, that is both bird and this mushtaq. Both are called in Sanskrit smashru only. So there is no different word, mushtaq and bird. Mushtaq and beard both are smashru. Bhuswaminaha putrasya smashruhu iva. Like the mushtaq of the village king's son, your mushtaq is also looking like that. Somebody told, evam anyanya vishaye sambhashanam abhavat. But like that, various things, people, those who met him, they asked. Kintu yutakasya vishaye kenapi na prishtam eva. But nobody asked about the shirt, even though it is very costly like that. And that is what this Sundar told while Kanakaraja was trying to buy. You will feel sad having spent this much money for shirt like that. Okay. कनकराजः स्वयं युतकस्य विषयं यदा उपस्थापितवान् तदा सम्यक् अस्ति इति नीरसप्रतिक्रियां प्रकटितवन्तः ते. When Kanakaraja was telling to the people स्वयं on his own युतकस्य विषयं यदा उपस्थापितवान्, यदा when he just told about the shirt to the people around, tada samyak asti, oh, it is nice, like that, iti nirasa pratikriyam, and a reaction without any feeling in that. Nirasa, without any emotion, without any feeling, oh, very nice, like that, they did pratikriya, reaction. दिनद्वयं यावत् ग्रामे स्थित्वा तृतीयदिने सुन्दरराजः कनकराजः च प्रतिप्रयाणम् आरब्धवन्तौ. So dinadvayam, 2 days they stayed in the village. Tritiya dine, on the third day, Sundararajaha Kanakarajaha cha pratiprayanam, return journey. Pratiprayanam means return journey, arabdhavantau, they started. Dvayohu parichitaha kechana. And some people who are known to both, Kanakarajasya vishe avadhanam bhavatu iti Sundararajam uktavantaha. You take care of Kanakaraj, like that they told to Sundaraja. Anye kechana Kanakarajam upadishtavantaha. And somebody else advised Kanakaraja. Hey mitra, bhavani yatyat sampadayati tasya vritha vyayam ma karotu. Whatever you earn, don't waste that money. So somebody advised, Bhavane yatyat sampadayati. Whatever you earn, tasya vritha vyayam ma karotu. Don't spend it wastefully, unnecessarily. Sundarajaha bhuttiman asti. Sundaraja is very intelligent. Ataha tasya suchananugunam vyavaharatu iti. So Sundaraja is very intelligent. So you act according to his advice. Nagara Gamana Marge Kanakaraja. So while going to the city, this Kanakaraja told, Asmakam Graminaha Swarthinaha. Our villagers are very selfish people. Bhavata upayanani dattani iti karanataha te bhavantam shlagitavantaha. By you, they were given a gift. Because of that, they appreciated you. Aham tavat dhanam madartham niyuktavan iti karanataha, viniyuktavan iti karanataha, te maam ninditavantaha. And I spent so much money for me like that, they just ninditavantaha means they disrespect. They don't abuse him, but in a way they expressed their displeasing words. Punaha kadapi atra na agamishyami iti uktavan. I will never come back to this place, like that, he told. Tada Sundaraja Hasan. Then Sundaraja very smilingly told, Bhavane swasya vishye eva samyak na janati. You don't know about yourself very well. Evam sthite itaresham vishye katham vadati. How can you say about others when you don't know about yourself very clear? भवान् सहस्ररूप्यकैः यत् युतकं क्रीतवान् तत् भवतः निमित्तं वा? Whatever shirt you bought for 1,000 rupees, is it for you bought? No. अन्ये प्रशंसां कुर्युः इति कारणतः भवान् क्रीतवान्. So you didn't buy it for yourself. You don't know yourself. Like that he started. Why? You didn't buy this 1,000 rupees shirt for yourself. You bought it thinking that others will appreciate and they will compliment. Like that. स्वस्य निमित्तं तत् क्रीतं यदि स्यात् तर्हि तत् धृत्वा स्वयं आनन्दम् अन्वभविष्यत् अन्वभविष्यत्. If you bought it for yourself, then you might have having put on that attire, you might have felt anandam, happy feeling you are wearing like that. Kintu bhavata tatha na kritam. But it was not done like that by you. Anye yada tasya mulyam na avagatavantaha tada bhavataha dukkham abhavat. When others were not knowing its value, then you got sadness. Itaresham shlaghana prapyartam bhavane sahasram rupyakani vyaitavan khalu. For to get appreciation from others, you spend 1,000 rupees, tat sthane. Instead of that, in that place, dasharupyakani vyaitani chetapi bhavane shlaghanam praptum ashakshyat. So, not only because of 10,000 rupees, even if you had spent dasharupyakani, 10 rupees, तत् स्थाने सहस्ररूप्यकाणि स्थाने दशरूप्यकाणि व्ययितानि चेदपि, even if you had spent 10 rupees, भवान् श्लाघनं प्राप्तुम् अशक्ष्यत्. You might not have got appreciation. It was not possible for you to get appreciation even if you had spent 10 instead of 1,000, because you are spending for others should do like that. Chintayatu. You think. Avagamanam vina itarane swarthaparane vaktum kaha adhikaraha asti bhavataha iti muktavan. So without having proper understanding, avagamanam vina, without, itarane swarthaparane vaktum, to tell others are selfish, kaha adhikaraha bhavataha asti, what rights you have? Like that he said to Kanakaraj. Kanakaraja swadosham avagatavan. And Kanakaraja understood his mistake. Tadarabhya saha prashamsam anapekshamaanaha mitrani avagachanne santoshena jivanam yapitavan. So after that, he just met people and he just came to know the details of the friends and all. And without getting any feeling of someone to appreciate me, he lived happily. Santoshena jivanam yapitavan. He lived happily further. Hope you liked this story. I will come up with some other new story. Take care. Bye-bye.